Karnataka High Court granted conditional bail to BJP leader CT Ravi on Friday after his arrest by the Belagavi Police for allegedly making derogatory remarks against Congress Minister Laxmi Hebbalkar. The FIR was registered against Ravi based on Hebbalkar's complaint, and he was booked under sections 75 sexual harassment and 79 insulting the modesty of a woman of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita BNS. After his release, Ravi criticized the treatment he received, stating that despite the clear decision of the chairman, a false case was filed against him and he was treated unfairly. He also claimed he was taken to the Khanapura police station without being informed of the reasons for his arrest and was denied the opportunity to file a counter complaint. In addition, Ravi filed a counter complaint against Minister Hebbalkar, Congress leaders Chamraja Hattiholi, DK Shivkumar and others, accusing them of attempting to kill him by physically attacking him within the legislature premises. The High Court has ordered Ravi to fully cooperate with the ongoing investigation, attend all necessary proceedings and abide by the conditions of his bail. This decision comes as part of the broader legal proceedings following the incident.